Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a minus 1 by 1 minus a is equals to 1, and we have to find the possible solutions of a. So let's find out the value. So we are going to use two methods. So method 1 is a minus 1 by 1 minus a equal 1. I'll take the denominator to other side, so it becomes a minus 1 equal 1 bracket 1 minus a. So solve the bracket, so it gives 1 minus a. Now a, take this negative a to this side and take this negative 1 to other side. 2a equal 2. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 2, so a equal 1. So let's check by doing the verification. Put a is equals to 1. So a minus 1 by 1 minus a equal 1. So 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1, that is 0 by 0 equal 1. That cannot be possible. So that not side identified. So here it is undefined form. And this will not satisfy the equation. So a is equals to 1 is not the possible answer for this. So this equation has no solution with this method. So now let's check with another method. So a minus 1 by 1 minus a equal 1. So from the numerator, I'll take negative sign outside. So it becomes 1 minus a by 1 minus a equal 1. So we'll cancel out the numerator and denominator. So numerator becomes minus 1 and it is equals to positive 1. So they can't be equal. Negative 1 can't be equal to positive 1. So it is also not possible. So overall, no real solution, no possible answer for this equation. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. And if you find the real solution or the answer, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.